Our next dish at Loza Kitchen will be sautéed mushroom. It is easy and delicious. For the ingredients, 1 cup of chopped mushroom, half cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of green pepper, quarter teaspoon garlic, some olive oil, pine and parsley for decoration. We start with adding some vegetable oil to a preheated pan. Then we will add our chopped onions until it is half caramelized. Then we add our garlic and green chili, and our mushroom. Now we add some black pepper and salt. As you can see, the pita is a bit dry, so I will go with the Arabic pita. Mushroom sautéed. Where is it? Cut! Action! Sautéed mushroom.